Here we've got Motorola Moto Z, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So as you can see, this is how it is set up right now, so it's English. Let me switch it off, and now you have opened the settings, then locate and click on System, and from the following options select Language as an Input. Here go to Virtual Keyboard and pick Gboard. Now go to the Languages, and by tapping on Add Keyboard you can select one from the following list. As you can see, you've got plenty of options here. You will definitely find something suitable, and here it is. This is the end of the list, and let me pick, for example, Yiddish. Then click on this feature if you want to, and then tap on Add. You can remove English if you want to, and this is what I will do, as I would like to have just one language included. And now if you will open it, as you can see, the keyboard language has been changed. Then if you'd like to go back to English, you have to perform the same trick again, so let me do it one more time. Let's open the settings. At first, go to System, select Language as an Input, go to Keyboard, Gboard, and now from the languages, pick English. Click on Add, and now you can remove Yiddish if you want to, or you can stay with both. And now if you will be typing, you've got back your English letters. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly, quickly and easily change keyboard language on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.